In this lesson, we will learn the phonetic sound of the letter G. Let's see how to write the letter G. A capital letter G is written like this. It starts at the top, curves left, comes right down and goes up halfway and ends with a small dash inwards. For the small letter G, start at the top, draw a circular loop and draw a line going down below the baseline and end with a curve like that. Let's see that one more time. The capital letter G, the small letter G. Let's learn the phonetic sound of G. G makes the sound G, 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 as in grapes. These grapes look delicious. G, as in goat. Never pick a fight with a goat. G, as in gate. This is the famous Buckingham Palace gates. G, as in garden. I like to smell the flowers in the garden. G, as in gorilla. Gorillas are ferocious eaters. They can eat all day. Let's just look at all the words one more time. G, grapes. G, goat. G, gate. G, garden. G, gorilla. Great!